Right everybody, this is a Yale Y221, 52 is the size of the shackle. It's a 5-pin, it's got spools in it. I'm not sure of the exact pin configuration, but yeah, that's it working with the key. It's non-key retaining, and so that's it locked back up again. That's your keyway. Basically the standard Yale keyway, just it's scaled down a wee bit. I'm going to show you the bitting on the key for it. It's just here. The back pin, pin 5 there, is quite deep compared to the others, so that's a bit tricky to get. So I'm going to use a medium hook. Considering the small keyway, it's actually not too bad getting at that pin. The only thing is this weatherproof cover here. A lot of padlocks like this, especially the cheaper ones, you can actually take this off and you can tension it normally, but with this one here it's non-removable, so you just have to deal with it. So I'm going to use basically a standard length wrench there, and that's going to go in like that, and we're going to tension it like that. So just nip in here. I've got binding just on the back there, so that's 5 away. Well, let's say that it's probably not completely set. There's 4, 3, and 2 feels okay. There's pin 1, which didn't actually go properly. Let's try that again. We do need quite a bit of tension for this one. As I don't know the exact pin configuration, so I don't know how many spools are on it. But it takes a while for it to go into false. That's our false set just there. Just in time. So I just want to feel and see what wants to go. This one here. No. Okay, I think it could actually be the pin right at the back. No. Okay, everything actually feels alright. I'm not really getting counter rotation off anything, although this one here maybe. Okay, that's good. So I'll take my time with this here, just because if you rush it and start fucking pushing on things all over the place, it's not good. Counter rotation there actually. Come on, baby. That's it open. Just turn that, and there we go. So that is your Yale Y221 52. Close the shackle, that'll spring back. And then again, that's with your key, working as normal. Alright, that was a camera shy one. I've had this padlock for a long time, and I've picked it a bunch of times. It just never wanted to go on camera before. I'm not sure why, but Slim Pickens had a wee go at this. He did it on his channel, and he's brought it back to me today. And yeah, he must have softened it up or something. I don't fucking know. Or he's given it a very stern talking to, because that was a lot easier than it normally is. Maybe he swapped it for another one, how the fuck would I know. Anyway, thanks for watching. I've been on a binge. I bought a whole bunch of padlocks off eBay, so I'll be getting some more videos up in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for those. Alright.